Okay, game to underway. Wala po to serve. Wait, 1-0, 1-0. The winner of this one will battle team Cordoba for the championship round. May daog na sa game 1 ang team Barili. Okay, game 2 na. Once again, thank you so much to our sponsor, Pitalo San Vicente Ferrer Catholic Association, who made this One Day League possible. Thank you so much. Sila atong sponsor. Sa atong organizer promoter, si Boss Brian Donay Risayago, together with Boss Alan. Ito na naman. Wow, nice defense shown by Team Cebu City. Relentless attack coming from Team Barili. Change position si Bronson o si the Drunken Master. Bronson now plays the backstop for a moment. Nagkaguliyang na mga birds.
Sorry, Biloy. 2-0. 0 nyo? 2-0. 2-0.
Okay, 2-0. Servisyo Raymond, the Drunken Master. Raymond again. Papo. Yay! Ito. Intense ball game. Who will live standing? Bang! Allah! Grabe yung Bronson ng grabe unay. Excellent defense. Courtesy of Bronson from Team Barili. Grabing ipinakita ni Bronson. 3-0 na. The Drunken Master. Bronson drop shot.
1-2. Gualis 2.
Gualis 2 na. Gualis 2 na yung mga words. Kaya labaw na yan Team Cebu City ito. 3-2. 3-2 in favor of Team Barili. Cuatro dos. Team Barili is ahead by 2 points in this game 2 of the Magic 4. Ball position sa Team Cebu City, 4-2. Jason serving. Raymond to Jason. Answer by Raymond. Janep. Perfect shot. Best shot of the ball game. Cuatro dos. Here comes Janlip Nabuah. Bronson striking hard. Bronson again. Want to destroy.
Kau kagiba? Hoy. Ay pakasaba ko naman. Apa ni karon?
5-2.
Vale.
Size 2 in favor of Team Barili. Kung gusto mong mga pasalubong ha, adtuan ninyo ang Maricel Anthony Karkar Chicharon at Delicacy Store para sa inyong mga pasalubong.
Ano?
Side out, bola sa Team Cebu City.
Size dos.
Servisyo hapon. Point. 3 size. 3 size na. 3 size. If you are in need of a cabinet maker, visit the page of Modular Cabinets by Jubel or call 0939-767-9534.
Damitan na ko.
Olbo pa naglalis. Okay, back to the ball game. We are interrupted ha sa panaglalis.
Balik-balik mo sir.
Okay, bola sa Team Cebu City. Naglalis ganina, in or out? Okay, bola sa Team Cebu City. Servisyo Jason.
Size tres.
Jason. Kulapo. Signature shot coming from Kulapo is the best.
4 size, 4 size.
Signature shot to ni Kulapo. Grabe Kulapo eh. Kalit na pigtos. Tarao.
Out. 5 size, 5 size.
5 size, 5 size.
5 size.
Servisyo. Kamang. 5 size ha, 5 size. Labaw ko sa ang Team Barili. Iguali size na, iguali size. Servisyo, Jason. Kadlet. Kulapo. Taraw, signature shot ni Kulapo. Sumablay. Iguali size ha, iguali size.
Ay, laburnok. Gamiton ni burnok ra ba?
Iguali size, iguali size. Servisyo Rimon. Bang! Binumba ni John Lip. Okay. Latos kay Latos Kulapo.
Out, 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 out.
Away na, go na. Okay na.
Out, 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 out.
Okay na.
Gualis, gualis.
Iguali size, iguali size. Iguali size, Kulapo serving. Gulson, to Kulapo. Drunken Master, firing. Apunis. Kulapo. Kulapo again.
Nangaway, nangaway.
Nangaway si Kulapo is the best.
Nangaway na.
City size na, city size.
Labaw, labaw sa labaw.
City size. In favor of Team Cebu City.
Labaw sa city size.
Kulapo, Parautso. Apon. My goodness.
Lagi ni rebound sir.
Short si hapon sa kanyang depensa. City size sa city size. Barilis ball. Service John Lep. Apon si John Lep. Kulapo struggling. Quick attack coming from Bronson. Walang nagawa ang Team Cebu City. Score, City Iguales. Ay. Away. Wild shot. Courtesy of the Drunken Master. Iguales City ah. Ay 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 ay. Inside the box. Out, out, out. Sugod gaya na ning duha ka team ha. Service of Bronson. John Lip. Too strong away from home.
Nag-dribble ulit pa yun.
Ano na buyuyoy?
Basa, basa.
Bola sa Team Cebu City.
Walis gapon, Roy.
Bola po. 3-shot combination ni Kulapo. Ang lutong. Hapon. Corner shot. Out ball. Score.
Labong. 8 City. 8 City, labong usa.
8 City. 8 City kini para 9. Loh. Bang.
Noibe, center.
9 City na. Team Cebu City is ahead by 2 points. Raymond. Killer shot coming from Hapon. Sumablay. Ball position for Team Barili. Here comes the Drunken Master. Atangan. Kulapo strike. Bang! Woo! Gigil si Bronson. Sumablay ang tira.
Mona.
Eh, dah balas tim Prinata je.
Noibi City.
Dua.
Last 3 nyo Kulapo. Noibi City. Bugoy yan. Kulapo. Hapon. Ito. Overhead shot. Corner.
Ay, naya bola.
Hapon. Answer by Bronson. Away. G City. Last to. Kulapo is the best para 11. Bronson. Grabe ang opensiba sa Team Cebu City. Back Hapon. Di malalim to tira ha. Onsi. Para daog.
Dapat alisin dah.
For the win. Para Baus. Panay City. Onsi City. Para daog. Daog na sa game to ang team Cebu City. Okay. Coming up next, decision game 3.